안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 다리입니다. Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, I'm Widya Nasta dari with the student number of 21, 32, 90, and 40. In this video, I will show you a review product. Let's start it.
Baby, can you see there's no other like you? When you leave, I'll expect the things you always do. Maybe it's a wish to have become so used to. Ooh, you want me, you know I need to know that you'll be true.
This product is from Garnier Remover Makeup, as we call it micellar water. Can you see? This product serves to clean makeup which has water resistance, especially the part of eyes and lips. By the way, I love this product. I've been using this product for a long time. And about the packaging, it's good. I like the color, and in the package have ingredient and benefit. The aroma itself that makes my mind feel fresh, and the texture is liquid without leaving a sticky on your face. Okay, in this package have the ingredient. The ingredient is aqua or water, hexane glycol, glycerin, Poloxamer 184, disodium cocopodicated, disodium eta, and mertrimonium bromide. By the way, I bought this product in offline shop. The price is 18,000 and you got 50 ml. Okay, now I want to remove my lipstick. For your information, my lipstick is OMG. Can you see? Okay, we should shake the product and put on the cotton. I mean facial cotton. Okay. Wow, you can see the result. It's clean. The benefit of this product is to clean your makeup. This product is suitable for all kinds of skin and can be used as a European skin type. Product from Garnier remove their makeup are needed for you who like to use mixed makeup. This lipstick, eyeliner, that waterproof. Okay guys, I think that's all about review product from Garnier Remover Makeup or micellar water. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.